Hello students, in this video I will discuss about section planes. Okay, so in this sectional views unit 4, first I will discuss what is section planes. Okay, it can be sectioning can be done by a vertical plane, or plane which is parallel to VP. You can say plane, vertical section plane, you can say section plane parallel to principal vertical plane. So that one is parallel to principal vertical plane. Now here you can see, so this is usual vertical plane, okay, and this is the horizontal plane, okay, as usual. Okay, so this is principal vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane, and object is say somewhere here, you can see, and it is to be sectioned. Okay, it is to be sectioned now by a cutting plane which is parallel to VP. So a cutting plane parallel to VP, it can be passing through this. Okay, it can be passing through this. Okay, so it can be passing through this. So this plane is parallel to this principal vertical plane. So that is known. This is known as vertical section plane. Okay, so this will be passing through, say it will be passing through this here. So this axis of this object. Okay, and you will be able to see this sectional view here. You can see. So this is the sectional view after. It will be there in the front view. So this will be the sectional view. Okay. Now the second one will be by a horizontal section plane. That is parallel to principal horizontal plane. Okay, now I will be again giving you the example here. You can see. So this is again the vertical principal plane. This is the horizontal principal plane. Okay, and the object is somewhere here. Same object, you can see. Now it is being sectioned horizontally. Only difference is it is being sectioned horizontally. Okay, and it can be section plane can be like this now. Okay, you can see it is being sectioned here through this plane now. That will be parallel to this HP. Okay, so this is the vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane, and this is the sectional horizontal section plane. Okay, so cutting plane is parallel to HP. So again that section view will be visible on this HP only. In the previous case, the sectional view was visible in the front view. Here the sectional view is visible in the top view. Okay, so this will be sectional top view, and here in this previous case it is sectional front view. So these two will be discussing throughout. Some third one is the section plane parallel to profile plane. Okay, that is PP. So that thing will be discussing. In that case, it will be sectional view will be inside view. Okay, side view. Now you can see here, in the first case sectional view is in the front view. In the second case, sectional view is in the top view, whereas in the third case, sectional view will be in the side view. But we will be concentrating on these two, front view and top view. So thank you very much. I hope you got it.